It is a quiet afternoon. Maria is cleaning her small house near the forest. She opens the window and the smell of rain comes inside. The birds are singing softly. Everything feels calm. In the garden, she sees something shining on the ground. It is small and golden. She walks closer and finds a key. It looks very old with strange symbols on it. Maybe it's from the old house next door, she says. That old house has been empty for many years. People say no one lives there because the doors don't open anymore. Maria feels curious. She takes the key and walks to the fence. The gate makes a loud sound. Creak. She walks slowly through the garden of the old house. The flowers are dry and the air feels cold. But she isn't afraid, only curious. At the door, she tries the key. It turns easily. The door opens. Inside, everything is covered in dust. There is a big table, a chair, and a clock that doesn't work. Maria walks around. She sees a small photo on the table, a picture of a woman who looks just like her. That's impossible, she whispers. Suddenly, the clock on the wall starts to tick. Tick, tack, tick, tack. Then it stops again. Thank you for coming back. She drops the key and runs outside. When she looks behind, the house looks empty again. The door is closed. Maria still has the picture, but the key is gone. Thank you for listening to Simple English Listening, Level A1. In this story, we practiced the present and past simple, things that happen now and things that already happened. For example, she sees a key, present. She found a key, past. New words today: key, garden, photo, voice, forest. If you liked this story, please like, subscribe, and keep learning English with us. See you next time, if you dare.